Our lesson for today is about adding rational algebraic expressions. So, before doing this first activity, balik po muna tayo sa basic. So, let's have addition of similar fractions. So, let's have 1 over 8 plus 3 over 8. So, ang una po natin gagawin is tignan yung dalawang denominator or yung ilalim. So, since ito pong dalawa ay parehas 8, pwede natin kopyahin na lang. And then, kopyahin po natin yung dalawang nasa taas. So, 1 plus 3. And then, after that, 1 plus 3 is 4. So, 4 over 8. And then, kung pwede pa siyang mas-simplify, mas okay po. So, pwede natin silang i-divide parehas by 2. Yun nga lang, di-divide mo pa ulit by 2 pa ulit. Or, pwede natin i-divide by its GCF, which is 4. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and then 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, ito po ang sagot for our similar fractions. Now, try naman po natin yung magkaiba naman. So, let's have 1/2 plus 3 over 5. Okay, so with this, una po natin gagawin is para mabilisan na lang, lalo na kung wala namang GCF silang dalawa. So, 2 times 5. So, imumultiply mo yung dalawang nasa ilalim. So, that is 2 times 5. And then, yung nasa taas naman po, pa-cross naman. So, eto po, si 1, imumultiply mo kay 5. And then, si 2, kay 3 naman po. So, again, 1 kay 5. So, that is 1 times 5 plus, huwag kalimutan yung plus sign. So, plus 2 times 3. Ayan. So, naging ganyan na po siya. Let's go on. So, 1 times 5 is 5 plus 2 times 3 is 6 over 10. So, the answer will be 11 over 10. And then, pwede pa siyang gawing, since it is an improper fraction, pwede natin siya gawing mixed number. So, divide lang si 11 by 10. So, 11 divided by 10 is 1. And then, the remainder is 1 also. Tapos, kopyahin lang ang denominator, which is 10. So, that's it for the basic. So, our first example for the addition or adding rational algebraic expressions, we have here UV, or rather U minus V over 8V plus 6U minus 3V over 8V. As you can see po, parehas yung ating denominator, kaya kinopya na lang siya dito. And then, kinopya lang din po natin muna yung given, so which is dito po, U minus V plus 6U, since positive naman yan, wala naman nakalagay dito, so that is automatically positive, plus 6U minus 3V. So, kinopya lang natin yon sa taas lahat. Tapos po, pinagtabi natin yung mga may parehas na letter. So, U saka U. So, U plus 6U, itong dalawa, U plus 6U, minus V minus 3V. So, ayan, parehas na U, parehas na V. After that, kinopya lang din ulit yung denominator, and then, sinolve lang po natin yung mga magkakaparehas lang yung letter. So, hindi mo pwedeng pagsamahin yung U tsaka yung V kasi magkaibang variable yun, magkaibang literal coefficient. So, that's why ito po ay invisible 1. 1 plus 6 is 7U minus invisible 1 ulit tsaka 3. So, kaya naman po siya naging addition, yung ginawa kay invisible 1 and 3 kasi parehas po sila ng sign. So, we copied the sign and then add na lang po. So, 1 plus 3 is 4V over 8V. So, yan na po yung final answer natin. Kasi po, wala nang masisimplify dito po sa taas. Kung ang sagot lang po natin is 4V over 8V, possible pa po. Kasi parehas may V, and then 4 and 8 are divisible by 4. Kaso, may 7 tayo dito. So, wala na tayong mapafactor dito sa expression sa taas. So, the final answer is 7U minus 4V all over 8V. See? Our second example is r plus 6 over 3r minus 6, and then plus r plus 1 over 3r minus 6. As you can see po, kinopya lang natin yung ilalim. So, 3r minus 6. And then, kinopya lang din yung nasa taas. Yung mga nasa taas. So, kaya isa lang yung 3r minus 6 natin kasi parehas lang naman. So, that's why, syempre, similar fraction. So, pwede nang isa lang yung denominator since parehas naman. So, after copying naman po yung numerator natin, pinag-arrange natin sila. Pinagtabi yung dalawang r. Ayun, yung dalawang r dito sa unahan. And then, yung dalawang number pinagtabi din. So, that is 6 plus 1 over 3r minus 6. And then, pinagsama yung dalawang r. So, 1, invisible 1 plus invisible 1. So, that is 2r plus 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3r minus 6. This is our final answer na agad kasi kay 3r minus 6, mafa-factor out natin siya by 3. Yun nga lang kasi, kay 2 at 7 po, ang GCF lang nila is 1 since they are both prime numbers. So, wala na po tayong magagawa talaga dun. So, that's why our final answer for this second example is 2r plus 7 over 3r minus 6. Example po is 3 over x plus 7 plus 4 over x minus 8. So, as you can see po, their denominators are different or these two are dissimilar. So, ang gagawin po natin is copy it ng magkatabi or ng may parenthesis. So, ibig sabihin po ay multiplication ito over x minus 8. Ang gagawin natin dito is yung pangalawa dun sa basic example natin about adding fractions. So, multiply the denominators and then 3 kay x minus 8, ipapartner, and then si x plus 7 naman, doon naman kay 4. Kumbaga, nagpalitan sila ng partner. So, it will be 3 times x minus 8 plus x plus 7 times 4 or pwedeng 4 times x plus 7. So, extend lang natin. Yan. Okay. So, with that, pwede nating isolve ito. Kasi hindi tayo pwedeng mag-cancel agad-agad. Kasi may operation sa gitna which is addition nga. So, plus. So, hindi natin sila pwedeng i-cancel agad-agad. So, try natin mamaya. Baka merong ma-cancel. So, pag meron, di i-cancel. So, yung mga nasa labas po is i-distribute doon sa nasa loob. So, 3 times x is 3x minus, ayun, since magkaiba sila ng sign, so minus, 3 times 8 is 24 plus, so, kaya naman plus yung nilagay ko kasi positive to and then itong x ay positive. So, plus 4 times x is 4x plus ulit, dahil same signs, 4 times 7 is 28 over x plus 7 times x minus 8 equals, so 3x and then 4x, pwede natin silang pagtabihin. So 3x plus 4x and then yung negative 24 saka yung 28. Pwede magkatabi. Over x plus 7 tsaka x plus 8. And then, after that, so pagsamahin natin yung 3 and 4, so siya ay magiging 3 plus 4 is 7x. And then, itong dalawa, pag pinag-subtract, 28 minus 24, it will be positive 4. Kaya positive kasi mas malaki yung 28. So, yun yung susundin natin na sign. Over the x plus 7 times x minus 8. Oh, I have a mistake there. So, as you can see po, ito, this should be minus kasi kinopya lang naman. Yun, nagkamali ako ng sulat. So, x minus 8. Ayan po. So, ayan, sorry for the sneeze. So, that is our answer. So, 7x plus 4 over x plus 7 times x minus 8. Wala po tayong pwedeng ma-cancel out kasi wala pong GCF na si 7 at si 4. Hindi pwedeng 2. Hindi pwedeng divisible si 7 kay 2. Hindi rin naman pwedeng divide si 4 by 7. So, that's why this is already our final answer. Last example about the lesson. We have x minus 5 over x squared minus 4 plus 3 over x squared minus 4. So, as you can see po, parehas ulit yung ilalim. That's why, kokopyahin lang. Tandaan po, pag laging parehas ang ilalim, kopyahin lang. And then, after that, kopyahin lang din yung nasa taas. So, x minus 5 plus 3. Saka natin isolve yung pwedeng isolve. So, as you can see po, we have x minus 5 plus 3. So, ang pwede natin isolve dito is yung negative 5 and then the positive 3. So, kopyahin mo na si x. And then, negative 5 and 3, so, unlike sign, so, subtract. So, 5 minus 3 is 2. Ngayon, ang sign na susundin natin is yung sign ng 5 kasi mas malaki yon. So, negative 2. Over. Ito naman pong nasa ilalim, pwede natin siyang i-factor. So, this will be x. Ito po ay na-topic ng week 1. So, x squared minus 4, it can be, yan, tig-isang x, and then, square root ng 4. So, we have 2 and 2. And then, isang positive, isang negative. So, ayan po yung difference of two squares. So, after that, kung ano po yung may kaparehas dito sa ilalim, tong x minus 2 na yan, yun po i-cancel natin. So, with that, i-cancel natin tong x minus 2, saka yung x minus 2 din. Ayan. And then, we will have, dito naman po, nag-cancel tayo kasi halos parehas naman. Hindi katulad nung kanina, yung mahahaba kanina na may operation talaga. So, with that, wala nang matitira sa taas, pero you will not leave it blank. So, it will be 1 over x plus 2. So, the answer is 1 over x plus 2. So, pasensya na po sa writing. So, yeah. So, that is our last example.